Hi, in this video I will show how to use app for converting HTML tables into CSV files. I have for testing purposes I will have this HTML table into Wikipedia and I will convert it into CSV and we'll get some columns, only columns I need from this just for my data CSV files. I will do it with application from my website. This is my website. I'll click on to find application. I'll click on search and type HTML, and I need this one. It will show me all HTML table apps, all apps that can convert into HTML tables. And I will need this one, export HTML table. I will click HTML to CSV and click on download to start the loading process. And wait until archive will be downloaded on my local computer. I will be recording more videos on HTML conversion and apps. So if you are interested, please consider subscribing to my channel. You can see archive has been downloaded. I'll click on downloaded archive, double click on MSI to start installation, click on more info here. I'm getting the screen from Windows because I'm not registered publisher with Microsoft. You can see publisher unknown. I'll just click run anyway to start installation, click on next install, click on yes, and click on finish on final screen. And you can see app has been installed on my computer. I have a new shortcut on my desktop, so now I can close this and this and double click on shortcut to launch app. Now conversion is 3 steps process. In first step I have to select HTML source. I can select HTML file if I have it saved on my local computer in my documents, or I can directly add URL to read this HTML file. So let's select this one, right click, copy, go to my app, right click, paste, and add, and you can see a URL has been added. I'll click on next step. On this step I'll have to select which column I'd like to have in my CSV. So for example, in my CSV I'd like to have empire, capital, from, to, and duration years. And I'll click on next step and click on run on final step to create CSV file. Now, because this page probably contains several tables in it, it will save all of them into separate CSV files. So this is why application asked me to specify folder it would like to place result files. So I'll select my documents and just click OK. And you can see it creates 3 CSV files, and let's go see which file is our. So click on documents, click on it's probably the biggest one. It's double click on it. I have a CSV viewer on my machine, and it just shows what is inside of CSV file. And you can see this is what we selected, one of the files. It has empire, capital, from, to, and duration in years. I can also open this CSV file into Notepad just to show you what is inside. Yeah. So it's basically comma-separated text file with all data from HTML. And basically that's it. We got our CSV file. If you have any questions, please leave them in comments. Thank you.